Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making one of my favorite dish. It's a creamy jerk pasta. Here are the ingredients we will be using today. Okay guys, are you ready? Let's go. Okay, first I will put my bacon in the oven. Next, I will prepare my chicken. I'm pouring a little bit of oil in the pan. Oh, by the way, guys, you can also put the chicken in the oven for about 20 minutes, but I prefer doing it this way. Here is my beautiful, well marinated chicken. A mise season. Pour it in the pan. And of course, stir. Now our chicken is starting to change color. We're going to try and evenly distribute it and leave it to cook. Simmer down. Looks good. That looks so juicy. Look good, look good, look good. Now let's put our pasta to cook. Yeah, sort them out, sort them out. Dash in some salt there. Okay, make we go check on the chicken there now. So as it is right now, it's cooked, but I'm still trying to give it a little more color. Bacon is done. Look them on. Look how them nice. And you see, I didn't even put a pinch of oil in there, but come nice oil, could I? No fret though, we have plans for it. Okay, now our chicken is done. Let's dash it in a bowl. Looking so beautiful. Yes, pasta, are we say almost done cook? Okay, let's prepare our vegetables. Be careful, I'm watching the finger them, you know. Cut away, cut away, cut away. I say no man, I don't know why them onion here for stay so. Make me a cry like my mother beat me. My eye them just a run water so. Pasta is done. Drain off the water. And then just put it down. Okay, back to the veggies. Scallion, wash and clean. Yellow sweet pepper. Hey friend. Red, are you that? Oh, hi Miss Garlic. Now you see me I go cut her up very small because me don't like her. I don't like garlic, but you know, it good for you. And it make your food smell nice, you know. Add a little something, something. Show up your skills, got it, yes. Okay, guys, here are my beautiful veggies. Let's cut up our bacon. Do you guys like bacon? Me, I love it. I man love it. I love it bad. It make everything taste nice. You actually don't have to put it in this dish, you know. I just really love bacon. So yeah, I add it and it adds extra flavor. So if you don't like it, don't put it in there. But as for me and my house, no waste none. Take up every single piece. Wanna see that little oil there in the pot? Guess is what? Ding 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 ding. Yes, it's the bacon oil. What me say? Flavor I got turn all the way up. Okay, let's add some butter. Melt, melt, melt. As she says, sizzle. Add our chopped garlic. By this point, me I tell you no, aroma a kick like say a karate eater though. Trust and believe. Look at this beauty. It's so pretty. Guys, these sauteed veggies smell amazing. What me say, 8 to the amazing. Smells really, really good. Now pour in our double cream. I think in Jamaica and America it's called heavy cream. Mix everything together. Add this deliciousness. Be sure to have it on low, the lowest heat as possible. You don't want it to burn. Try as best as possible to combine everything. You can't smell this. No man, use your imagination. Make you turn children again. You know them can use them imagination like so well. Again, may I tell you, this sell all the way off like present in a Christmas. Trust me, smell good. Add some black pepper. Combine it all. Stir it up, man, and make sure say, you know, it blend. Yeah, blend it together. Nice, nice, nice. Guys, look there, bubble. Miss a bubble. Oh, that looks so delicious. Okay, stir them up. It done cook though. Now let's add this flavorful gift to the already cooked pasta. Make sure the fire is as low as can be. Be sure to get every liquor drop from the pot, every drop. Now combine. Look at this creaminess, guys. On a look real good. Add some sweet corn, dash it in there and stir it up. Please make sure you drain off the water off the sweet corn before you throw it in there. And guys, don't forget to taste as you go along. Taste, taste, taste. You need to know and make sure the food tastes good before you actually share it out for eat. Add some black pepper. About 2 tablespoons or so of sugar. And now let's sprinkle it with some cheese. Now stir it up. I'm telling you guys need to try this recipe. It is amazing. I mean, nothing short of amazing. It tastes good. It tastes so good. Like one of my favorite. I'm having all type of feels just looking at this goodness. Wanna see that? Look how it nice and cheesy. It just I said cheese. Oh, so yummy. And here we have the finished product. Guys, I'm telling you, this is so delicious. My husband who doesn't like pasta and he loves it. And him always tell people my wife is the only one who can make pasta and I love it. So yeah guys, please try it. The recipe is in the description box, so check it out. Please check out my other videos and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Have a beautiful day and may God bless you always. Thanks for watching.